Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm going to teach you Give Me That Old Time Religion. It's from our new book, 21 Easy Ukulele Hymns. Give Me That Old Time Religion uses 3 chords, depending what key you're in. I've done it in 2 keys to give you a choice, and I put what's called a turnaround between the 2 songs. So the first key is the key of C. And I do it with a C chord, a G7, and an F. Then I do what's called a turnaround, and so I do a D minor, a C7, and an F. And that gets us ready to do it in the key of F. And in the key of F, the 3 chords are F, C7, and B flat. B flat's tricky because you have to double bar, you have to bar the 2 strings here with your first finger in the first fret, and then you make the E minor chord shape. But it's a good singing key, so I've done it that way. The strumming pattern I'm using is down, down, up, down, down, up. If you stick around to the end, I do melody tab. Give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion. It was good enough for me, it was good for the Hebrew children, it was good for the Hebrew children, it was good for the Hebrew children, and it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, it's good enough for me. It was good enough for my father, it was good enough for my father, it was good enough for my father, and it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, it's good enough for me. It will take us all to heaven, it will take us all to heaven, it will take us all to heaven, and it's good enough for me. Give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, give me that old time religion, it's good enough for me. Enjoy! Enjoy! Visit ukulele.io to sign up for free ukulele sheet music in your inbox every week. If you like this video, you can help us out by leaving a comment or a like below. And thanks for watching!